So welcome to another daily market analysis video. So in yesterday's video, we discussed the intraday levels for today. We'll see how those intraday levels played out in the live market today. And along with that, we'll try to plan new opportunities that could be available for us in the coming weeks. So if you have not seen the previous video, this is the one, the 20th August analysis. Now moving back to the chart. So yesterday I mentioned that there is a 30-minute demand zone here. The price actually did not come here for the scalping trade. I had planned around 1:25, but it did not come here. It just rallied back up. In yesterday's video, I had mentioned that I am planning to trade this zone, and there was perfect entry here. Stop loss was above this level. After the price reached this supply zone, it started moving back down, and it gave me a good 1:2 reward. After that, it got rejected from the day's low, started rallying back up. Now, once it broke this high, I kind of knew that there was going to be bullish movement, but again, this was one other aggressive entry that I had planned. The red box here represents the 1 hour time frame chart, and within that 1 hour time frame, there was a 5-minute supply zone. So I had planned an entry here, and since the stop loss was very low, I planned a 1:3 entry. Market entered here and gave me the 1:3 in around 10 minutes. So if you notice here, the price retested the same zone again, and it again gave me the same reward again. But I did not take this trade. So now that the previous trades that we had planned worked out exactly how we planned out, let's try to find new opportunities. We are now on the 2 hour time frame. If you notice, price is making lower lows while the RSI is making higher lows. So this is a positive divergence, and in the coming days, we could see the price moving back up. Let me delete these. So as for price action, these are all the valid levels still that are available. So there is still this 2 hour zone here and this 30-minute zone. My view is still the same. Since the price has broken this supply zone, now the market is sideways. So as long as price breaks below this level or above this level, I will not be taking directional trades, just scalps. Now looking at the opportunities, so on the 2 hour time frame, I can see that there is a supply zone here. Again, as previously discussed, if I go to the 15-minute time frame, I have a good entry here. This was the same entry that was discussed yesterday. So we will have our entry here, stop loss above this level, and a 1:2 target. Along with that, we still have this 5-minute zone here, the scalp zone that is still valid. So entry somewhere here, stop loss below this level, and a 1:2. So these are some of the entries that I think will play out in the coming week. Now, if you feel that this zone has a big stop loss, I would also trade it in this way. Entry somewhere here, stop loss above this level, and say 1:2 reward. Now, personally, I am planning this route because I get much better stop loss, and if the market is bearish on that day, I can trail below a good supply zone and keep trailing my profits. So other than that, on the demand side, there is a new demand zone that is formed now. And on the 15 minutes time frame, nothing. On the 5 minutes, yes. So on the 5 minutes time frame, we can see that a new demand zone has been formed here. So we can consider trading this as a 5-minute scalp trade. So entry here, stop loss below this point, and a 1:2 trade. So this should be fine. So these are the 3 opportunities that I see for tomorrow and around next week. I hope to be day trading sometime next week, and I'm also considering challenging myself, by taking a 1 lakh rupee trading challenge. So the thought process is I will deposit 1 lakh rupees into my account and trade for the next 100 days, and I'll give you live updates on how the trading is going on and the reason behind and the logic behind why I took the trades and how much profit and loss that I made. So this will act as a learning for myself and others who watch the videos. So if you have not already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.